Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to use TY. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to set up your profile and create campaigns to connect with your customers. Step 1. Create your account. Let's set up your profile. Sign up using a company email address. You can also use your Gmail or Apple account. Take your time, as once you register, you will not be able to change the account sign-in credentials. Step 2. Set up your profile. Once logged in, complete your business profile on TY. First up, let's get your brand noticed. Add your brand name, upload a vibrant cover photo, and make your profile stand out with your logo. First impressions count. Provide business details. This includes your entity info such as your EIN number, contact details, business address, and hours of operation. Include a business description and select a category to help customers find you easily in searches. Get creative. A well-written description will get more attention. Upload files and images to showcase your services, products, and/or menu. Step 3. Create a campaign. With TY, you can create two types of campaigns: referral programs to let customers promote your brand, and loyalty programs to reward their loyalty. For each program, choose one of the following avenues to focus on. Minimum purchase. Reward customers once they hit your set amount. Product purchase. Offer rewards for specific products. Total order. Reward customers regardless of order size. New customer. Give first-time buyers a special reward. Don't forget to add key details to your campaign. This includes set clear terms and conditions for your campaign, active dates and times, choose when your rewards are available, expiration date, set a deadline for redemption, campaign budget, allocate your total TY points for the campaign, redemptions per customer, limit the TY points each customer can earn. You just made a beautiful campaign. Here's the most important step. Click that button. That's right, save your campaign. Oh no, you forgot to add an expiration date. No worries. If you need to edit, duplicate, or delete something, you can revise the campaign at any time. Step 4. Activate your campaign. Before a campaign can be activated, TY points must be loaded to your account balance. Avoid delays by keeping a fixed amount of TY points in your account at all times. We suggest setting a monthly budget. $1 equals 1 TY point. Simple, 1-to-1 ratio. No calculators, just easy math. 451 TY points equals $451. Add your debit or credit card or bank account details along with billing info. Please note, a commission is applied to support the maintenance and growth of TY and will be deducted from the points you purchase. Bank transfers take up to 2 business days. For immediate campaign activation, use a debit or credit card. Step 5. Assign team members. Grant your team members permission to authorize point transfers for customers participating in campaigns. Step 6. Promote your campaign. Spread the word about your campaigns. Select the Add Post option under Social in the menu. Add a creative image and text, then click Publish. The text should reflect your campaign details and any other information that can draw your customers in. Step 7. Pay and collect rewards. Once you've validated the campaign terms, click on Scan Codes at the top. Scan the TY member's code or type it in manually. You're all set. Your happy customer gets their rewards. Your customer can also pay using TYs when they visit your store or restaurant. You can scan their code in person and verify the amount of TY points to collect. Step 8. Check your TY wallet. Click on See Balance. The balance to give is what you can use to reward your customers, and the balance received represents all the TY points you've collected. You can either cash them out or use them to create more campaigns. Step 9. Check your campaign metrics. Click on Social to track your campaign's performance and see your results in real time. Step 10. Notifications. Check important updates on your account to stay on top of everything. Get support. Have questions? Visit the TY Help Center for assistance. That's it. You're ready to partner with TY to grow your business and engage with customers. Start creating campaigns and making an impact today, inspiring business success through collaboration, generosity, and impactful change.